Okay, I'm on Adnow native advertising. Trying something new. I've just tried with Adnow. Very easy setup. Email confirmation. Just click through and you're on. So adding a site. I've actually done two previously, two blog spots. It doesn't say you can't do them. And just added them. Everything sort of seemed okay. So I'm adding my third one. I've still got it, so I may as well experiment with it. Adding a site, so name of it, web address, the protocol's already there, so I guess they just mean put the rest of it in. So website language, English, website traffic, less than 1,000, and it says add. Read a little bit of this, agree with the penalties in case of violation, okay. And a widget site for fullthemes.co. No widgets found. To add a widget, click here, or I guess here. Okay, go to that. Native ads. Add a widget. Usually says add zone or something. With this, it's just add or widget. It's going to be the same thing. Add the JavaScript code. Okay, so here we are. Widget type, widget settings, so on. So you've got to make it and save it. So this is the preview, I guess, here. These adverts. The HTML code won't let you get it. To get the code, save the widget. Save the widget. So you've got to do something here. So back to preview. Widget type. So I'm going to click PC for mobile. Widget settings. I'm going to give it a name. I'd already used Adnow. I think you can call it anything really. Full ad. Full ad. Full ad. I'm new to this. I'm not certain what all that's about. Number of creative elements in the widget. In 2 in row thread. Keep it as is, I guess. Teaser text. So you can manipulate the advert a bit here. Teaser background. But I'm not certain what I'm doing yet. Maybe if this works, I get to know it, I can do that. So I'm just going to save it as it is. So I haven't done much, but it's happy with that. Basically, you just give it a name. So that's the preview. And to get the HTML code here. So I'm putting this on my site. I've done 2 blogs. I haven't actually done a site before. Okay. This bottom bit, put this part of the code at the end of HTML doc to avoid delays while your content is being loaded. It's JavaScript. So you'd put it at the end, the bottom, and let the HTML load. That's why any scripts are always at the bottom. You don't want that to load before the HTML, you see. So copy that. I'm going to go to the index page. My website on my hosting provider. What's this? That was for propeller ads. Oh my god. What is this? Amazing amount inside. Cool. That was in my head section of my index page. I'm going to have to delete all this. And that was for, look at all this. It's for a push notification. Wow. Well, I guess that's an error. Wow, way. all of that. So, delete. I was trying propeller ads before this, but with propeller ads you have to have 10,000 a day traffic. Right, so I've got to go to the bottom of the page. So within the body section there's the body closing tag. So I will create a space there, and I'm going to paste in this new JavaScript, which is here, script type text JavaScript, source, advert out, push. It's a push for this domain from their site, I guess, script. Domnoveric, whatever it is. Okay, so that's the JavaScript put in. I've got to go back to the tab. Okay, put this part of the code in the space where the block is supposed to be displayed. So most of these ad networks you put in the head section. On this one I'm actually putting into the body section. So I copy that, go back to index, and where you want it, this is where you've got to remember the HTML of your own page. Where do I want it? Under the sort of navigation bar, I guess. My word. Maybe I just experiment with it right at the top, div ball header. It's not going to look good. Div navbar. If I put it under the navbar, this really is very difficult because you've got to remember how it was all divvied up, you see. I think just for now, for experimenting, I'm just going to put it at the top. Div top, how do I might just put it in right at the top of the body. It would push everything down a bit, but that's that. Save. I've got to wait till it says saved down here. I'm on uk2.net. Just check I'm online. It doesn't matter. Right, come on. Save. Successfully saved the file. Okay. Now, this works on Blogger as well. I've just seen that and I can prove that. Sites. Just done all this within the last hour, really. There's full theme, site name, your fullthemes.co.uk. is being moderated. Not sure how long it takes. Advertising widgets are not displayed until they're done. So I've got blogspot.com there and a blogspot there that I've just started. So it works. So it works on them. Over to the blogger. I put it in you paste it into one of the JavaScript gadgets. So if I edit it there, I'm trying to show you it's in there. It's in there. I've saved that. The JavaScript itself, you'd have to go to theme. You go to theme and you do it in the edit HTML. If you're on here, you have to go back to classic blogger. Otherwise it's harder. It's harder to get that code in. So you have to remember to go back to classic blogger theme in order to get the edit HTML section. I spent an hour last night trying to work that out because I was on the new blogger that doesn't have this layout. Okay, so now waiting for moderators to get back to me, administrators to get back to me. And I guess that should be right. I'll make a part 2 on that. See how it goes. The adverts don't look that great, but it's difficult when you have a blogspot to get anything, as I found. If this works out, I might stick at it.